muscles in the cat. All right, the biggest one, remember, is the gluteus medius. The middle one is called the gluteus maximus, and the one that's only in the cat, that's towards the tail end, is called the caudofemoralis. So it's going from the tail, caudal vertebrae, to the patella. It's really supposed to extend to the kneecap. So you have gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, which is smaller than the gluteus medius in the cat, caudofemoralis. On the side of the thigh, you had a lot of fascia called fascia lata that you had to peel off. And the muscle attached to the fascia lata, this triangle-shaped muscle here, this is called the tensor fascia lata because it pulls on the fascia, it tenses the fascia. So this triangular-shaped muscle sort of below the gluteus medius is called the tensor fascia lata. Right? And here you see the vastus lateralis again from the side view of the cat. On the back of the cat's thigh, you can see the three hamstrings. The largest and most lateral, which is the biceps femoris. This whole thing is the biceps femoris. Remember, we lifted that. When you lift the biceps femoris, here's the sciatic nerve for your reference. And here you have the other two hamstrings. You have the semimembranosus and the semitendinosus. So one, biceps femoris, two, semimembranosus, three, semitendinosus. So these three muscles, 1, 2, 3, are called the hamstrings. Okay, and you can see the semimembranosus and the semitendinosus both from the anterior view. Here's the semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and you could also see them from the posterior view, semimembranosus, semitendinosus.
So, under this.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is the gracilis hanging down from right.
What's the third one? The third hamstring?
Oh, it's called the semitendinosus. It looks like a tail almost.
Tendinosus, membranosus, and
Biceps femoris. Those are the three hamstrings. Okay, and the muscles we did today are commonly called the calf muscles. So on the back, this is like the drumstick, right? On the back of the cat's leg, all right, you have these two heads of the gastrocnemius. It's called the gastrocnemius. In between the two heads of the gastrocnemius is the plantaris, and then the deepest of the three calf muscles is called the soleus. So you get gastrocnemius, plantaris, soleus, GPS. And all three inserted to the heel of the cat's foot through the common Achilles tendon. We cut the Achilles tendon right here. So these three are the superficial dorsal muscles, or what we call the calf muscles. Now if we turn the cat over, okay, you can see this is the tibia, this is the anterior ventral view of the leg, and on the anterior lateral surface of the cat's leg, this muscle here is called the tibialis anterior, right here. So it's the only muscle you have to know really on the front of the cat's leg. Okay, so this muscle here is called the tibialis anterior, and you could always tell what it is because it's next to a bare piece of bone here, which is the tibia itself. And yeah, let's do the organs.